Okay, let's start over here. This is squash. I've got a lot of squash blossoms going. And then over here we have cucumbers that are out of control. I've started a lettuce. These are beans, green beans, and lentils. This is okra and spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, lemongrass, herbs, pineapple, fig, some broccoli. I have broccoli. These are all jalapenos. These are all indeterminate tomatoes, so they will grow, grow, grow. This is one determinate tomato over here. It's a cherry tomato. I got some bell peppers and some snacking peppers. A couple more peppers, some more squash over here. Some more cucumbers that are growing from seed. I like to stagger it. And over here I have carrots.